Ella and okay. This is Ella and Coach, our new friends. Yes. Now, I'll give you that.